Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to change app icons on your iPhone. To do this, first of all, open your shortcuts and then click on the plus button which is on the top right corner of your screen. Make sure that you have connected to the internet. Then click on the plus button. From here, click on the open app and then select the app in which you want to add any icon. For now, I'm choosing Instagram. Then click on the done. Once you do this, here you can see open app. Press hard on that, then Instagram will be open. Now again go to the shortcuts and click that, and there you will see share button. Hit on that and then hit on the add to the home screen. Once you do that, you have two options. Click on the gallery icon and then select or choose photo. Once you choose photo, click on the add and there you can see you have added the app icon on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.